Hello folks at home, welcome superstars. In this short clip, let's solve this addition problem. 37 plus 19. The ones place is on the right and the tens place is on the left. We start solving the addition equation by adding the numbers in the ones place. 7 plus 9 equals 16. In the number 16, there are 6 ones, right? 6 in the ones place. The number in the tens place is called the carry. We carry the 1 over to the tens place and write it above the 3 like this. Now we add the numbers in the tens place. 1 plus 3 equals 4. We need to add 1 more, which gives us 5, right? 5 in the tens place. So 37 plus 19 equals 56. And this is our final answer to this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more videos on the channel.